One grid, 12 different faces, here's how. Once you have the 3-area grid down, practice placing your shapes on the grid quickly and accurately. This lets you experiment without losing structure. Keep the shapes simple. Straight brows, basic triangles for the nose and mouth, then clean geometric eyes, minimal ears, then add the skull, jaw, neck, and hairline. And you're done. Here are many more of my favorite placeholder shapes. 2-line eyes, more shaped eyebrows, and I turn the nose triangle upside down. Thicker lips, etc. Just experiment. Try anything you like. For the ear details, I like to do these number 5 shapes, forwards and backwards. Simple, easy, perfect. This third face has some of my favorite shapes, the M nose and the 4-line ears. For manga cute girls, make sure you shorten the jaw area from the bottom of the nose to the bottom of the chin. I'm also using my favorite manga 7-line eyes and give them big ears and a thin neck. For strong male characters, I like to draw big thick eyebrows, and I'm also using a sloped down upper eyelid just for a different look. I use the M nose, thick lips, a cleft chin, and I also add in very strong cheekbones. Also note the lower jaw and super thick neck. This dude is strong. So I think you can see that you can use this grid to practice faces indefinitely. Just print off a whole bunch of them and just go ahead and practice till your heart's content. I use all smooth, thinner features for this one. I have the Silver Surfer's face in mind when I draw these face features. However, you could easily morph this into a female character with lashes and lipstick. So this next guy is even stronger. Note the wider nose and full lips, but the features that really stand out are his wide lower jaw and his super wide neck. What can I say? Manga features are just fun. I use super big 10-line eyes, matching eyebrows, and yes, still the shorter chin area. I think everybody should learn the classic 60s Archie comic book faces. Here's my Betty Cooper style face. Note the simple but cool eyelid lash. Very economical. Another strong male face. Note the strong nose, cheek, and hairlines. So the grid is also useful for practicing face expressions. Note that I lowered the jaw because his mouth is open because he's screaming. For this guy, I made all his features wide and thick, and note the droopy upper eyelids. Well, I hope you enjoyed this face features practice session, and if you want to see the next face drawing session, don't forget to like and subscribe.